Hello guys, now let's do a small experiment to verify and prove one of the laws of Mendel, which is nothing but the law of segregation. For that I took 24 green beads and 24 yellow beads. I am going to represent the trait pod color in Pisces sativum. In the pea plant, the green pod color was known to be dominant and the yellow one was known to be recessive. The dominant is represented by uppercase G and the recessive is represented by lowercase g. The homozygous dominant is male and the homozygous recessive is female. So now let's cross the maternal and the paternal to see the results in the F1 generation. For that, I am going to take one from left and one from right and put it in the bowl. We are going to continue till all the beads are utilized to see the results in the F1 generation. Now let's do that. Now all observe the results we got in the F1 generation. It has 24 pairs which is heterozygous in nature. It results in green pod color since the dominant one uppercase G is being expressed. Next we are going to do F1 selfing. Before that I am going to separate 24 pairs as 12 pairs in the left and 12 pairs in the right. So now let's do that. We have separated in the left, next we are going to do it in the right. We have separated 12 pairs on each side. Now let's self-cross them. I am going to randomly pick one from left and one from right and put the results in the respective bowl. Let me do it. First I am getting a heterozygous and I am going to note down it. Now let's calculate the number of pairs. We could observe that there are 6 pairs of homozygous dominant, 12 pairs of heterozygous dominant and 6 pairs of homozygous recessive. So it's in the ratio 6:12:6. When we cancel them by 6, we get 1:2:1. This is the genotypic ratio. The phenotype is green:yellow, hence the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Now let me show a pictorial representation so that we'll get an idea for the law of segregation. This pictorial representation substantiates the individual of the gametes. Though they are pooled together in the F1 generation, their probability of separation is more. Therefore, there is a segregation in the F2 generation to produce novel trait which can be different from the parent. When we crossed a homozygous dominant and a homozygous recessive, the F1 generation all resulted in green color, which is heterozygous in nature. But when we self-cross them, the F2 generation had 3 possibilities, which is homozygous dominant green color, heterozygous dominant green color and homozygous recessive yellow color. Hence the law of segregation has been verified. Hope you all understood the concept by enjoying the video. Thank you all. This is Sandhya from the Department of Biotechnology, Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli Tamil Nadu. Signing off. Thank you.